Looking for an all-inclusive Caribbean getaway that combines beachfront luxury with family-friendly vibes and won't completely empty your wallet? Let me tell you about the Reef Playacar in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. This 5-star resort sits right on the stunning white sands of the Riviera Maya, about 45 kilometers south of Cancun Airport. Since opening its doors back in 2000, this property has been serving up that perfect blend of modern Mexican design and tropical relaxation that keeps guests coming back year after year. The resort underwent a complete transformation in 2022, refreshing everything from the rooms to the restaurants, and they've kept the momentum going with solar panels and enhanced Wi-Fi in 2025. Spread across 6 low-rise buildings surrounded by lush tropical gardens, this place manages to feel both spacious and intimate at the same time. Whether you're planning a family vacation, a romantic escape, or just need to disconnect from reality for a while, the Reef Playacar delivers that Caribbean dream without the pretentious attitude you sometimes find at luxury resorts. Let's dive into the accommodations because honestly, where you rest your head matters just as much as what you do during the day. The Reef Playacar offers 6 main room categories across 388 suites, and each one comes packed with thoughtful amenities that make your stay comfortable. Starting with the Junior Suite Garden View, you're looking at a generous 43 square meters of space with your choice of a king bed or 2 queens, a separate living area, and a private balcony where you can sip your morning coffee surrounded by tropical plants. These rooms come loaded with air conditioning that actually works, a minibar that gets restocked daily with snacks and drinks, a coffee maker for those who need caffeine before facing humanity, a safe for your valuables, a 55-inch smart TV, reliable Wi-Fi, hairdryer, iron, and even a pillow menu if you're particular about where you rest your head. The bathrooms feature rainforest showers and motion sensor lights, which sounds fancy but really just means you won't stub your toe at 3 a.m. These garden view rooms can accommodate up to 4 people, making them perfect for small families or 2 couples traveling together. If you want to wake up to ocean views, the Junior Suite Ocean View gives you the same square footage and amenities but with that gorgeous Caribbean sea stretching out before you. Guests in these rooms also get upgraded linens and priority check-in, because apparently seeing the ocean means you deserve softer sheets and shorter wait times. The real game changer though is the Junior Suite Swim-Out, which bumps you up to 52 square meters and gives you direct access to the pool right from your private terrace. Imagine rolling out of bed, stepping onto your outdoor lounge area, and walking straight into the water without passing another soul. It's as close to having your own private pool as you can get without actually booking a villa. These rooms can fit up to 5 people and feature that same roster of amenities plus the outdoor furniture and pool access that makes you feel like absolute royalty. For families who need more space, the family suite spans an impressive 85 square meters with 2 separate bedrooms, a living room, and special touches for the kids like bunk beds and their own mini-safe. Parents can even rent a PlayStation 5 to keep the teenagers happy, and the suite accommodates up to 6 people comfortably. The rooms offer both garden and ocean views depending on availability. Honeymooners and couples celebrating special occasions should seriously consider the Honeymoon Suite, which gives you 60 square meters of romance with a king bed, an in-room jacuzzi, and a private rooftop terrace overlooking the ocean. You'll get flowers and wine on arrival, because nothing says romance like complimentary alcohol and pretty plants. At the top of the accommodation pyramid sits the Presidential Suite, a sprawling 120 square meters with 2 bedrooms, a dining area, butler service, and your own private pool with panoramic ocean views. You can even arrange for an in-suite chef if you want to pretend you're too important to walk to the restaurant. This suite handles up to 6 guests and features marble finishes throughout, giving it that high-end feel that justifies the price tag. All rooms feature modern design with bright, airy spaces, comfortable furnishings, and those little touches that show someone actually thought about what guests might need. The 2022 renovation really shows in the fresh paint, updated furniture, and improved lighting throughout the property. Now let's talk about what might be the most important part of any all-inclusive resort experience, the food and drinks. The Reef Playacar serves up 6 restaurants and 4 bars, all included in your room rate, which means you can eat and drink your way through your vacation without wincing every time you sign a check. The main buffet restaurant, El Tapenco, operates for breakfast, lunch, and dinner with a casual vibe and international menu that changes daily. Breakfast runs from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. and features made-to-order omelets, fresh fruit, pastries, and enough coffee to wake up even the groggiest vacationer. Lunch service goes from 12:30 p.m. to 3 p.m., and dinner runs 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. with themed nights throughout the week. The buffet can seat about 400 people and you don't need reservations, which makes it perfect for those mornings when you wake up starving and can't be bothered to plan ahead. Tuesday brings taco night, and trust me, the fresh seafood spreads are worth loading up on. For a more refined experience, Vento by the Sea serves Italian fusion cuisine right on the beachfront from 6:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. This spot requires reservations and a smart casual dress code, which basically means put on pants and maybe a collared shirt. The lobster ravioli here has guests raving in reviews, and the tiramisu might be the best dessert on property. With seating for about 80 people and ocean views from every table, this restaurant nails that romantic dinner atmosphere. They also offer wine pairings if you want to get fancy with your meal. La Buena Vida brings gourmet Mexican cuisine to the table with specialties like fresh ceviche and rich mole poblano that tastes like it took all day to make, because it probably did. This restaurant also operates from 6:30 p.m. to 10 p.m., requires reservations and smart casual attire, and seats about 70 guests. The tequila tastings here are a highlight, letting you sample Mexico's finest spirits while learning about the production process. If seafood is your thing, Maria focuses on grilled octopus, fresh catches of the day, and surprisingly good sushi for a resort restaurant. Friday nights bring special sushi events, and the fresh fish displays at the entrance show you exactly what you're getting. This venue also runs 6:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. with 60 seats and requires advance booking. Himitsu rounds out the specialty dining with Asian fusion, including teppanyaki shows and dim, some that actually tastes authentic. The chef's table experience here lets you sit right at the cooking station and watch your meal come together while chatting with the chef. The restaurant glows with lantern lighting at night, creating an intimate atmosphere for the 50 diners it can accommodate. As for bars, you've got options spread throughout the property. The lobby bar serves as a convenient meeting spot with tropical cocktails and premium liquor from 10 a.m. to 1 a.m. The beach bar lets you order drinks without leaving your lounger, serving everything from frozen margaritas to mocktails for the non-drinkers in your group. Live DJs occasionally set up at the bars, and sunset cocktails on the beach have become something of an Instagram tradition for guests. The swim-up bar in the adults-only pool means you literally never have to leave the water if you don't want to, which some guests take as a personal challenge. The pool situation at the Reef Playacar deserves its own spotlight because they've really thought through what different guests want from their pool time. The resort features 4 distinct pools, each serving a different purpose and crowd. The main family pool stretches across 1,200 square meters with depths ranging from 1.2 to 1.5 meters, making it safe for kids while still deep enough for adults to actually swim. This pool includes a splash zone designed specifically for little ones with shallow water and fun features that keep them entertained for hours. The adults-only infinity pool spans 800 square meters and offers that peaceful escape when you need a break from the kid energy. This pool features a swim-up bar where you can order drinks without getting out of the water, and the infinity edge creates those gorgeous photos where the pool seems to blend right into the ocean beyond. The quiet relaxation pool covers 500 square meters and maintains a more serene atmosphere, perfect for reading a book or just floating around without dodging pool volleyball games. Finally, the kids' pool comes complete with water slides that provide endless entertainment for the younger set. All pools operate from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. year-round, and towel service is included so you don't have to drag your room towels down every morning. The pool staff keeps the areas clean, arranges loungers, and generally makes sure everything runs smoothly. As for the beach, you're looking at a kilometer of pristine white sand meeting impossibly turquoise water that stays relatively calm thanks to the natural reef offshore. The beach offers complimentary kayaks, paddleboards, and snorkeling gear, so you can explore the coastline and underwater world without paying extra. If you want to go scuba diving, that costs extra, but the resort can arrange it through their partners. Traditional palapas provide shade along the beach, and waiter service means you can order food and drinks without trudging back to the main building. Beach volleyball courts give the active folks something to do, and the gentle waves make this beach perfect for families with kids who want to play in the surf without parents having heart attacks every 5 minutes. The beach earned eco-certification for the resort's conservation efforts, including their coral reef protection program that helps preserve the marine ecosystem that makes this area so special. When you're ready to do something besides eat, drink, and lounge by the water, the Reef Playacar offers plenty of activities to keep you busy. The fitness center operates from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. daily with Technogym equipment including treadmills, free weights, stationary bikes, and even Peloton bikes for the cycling enthusiasts. If you prefer guided exercise, the resort offers yoga classes, aqua aerobics in the pool, and personal training sessions for an additional fee. The beach provides a natural playground for activities like beach volleyball, and the calm waters make it ideal for kayaking and paddleboarding. Snorkeling right off the beach lets you spot tropical fish and maybe even see turtles if you're lucky. The resort organizes weekly entertainment schedules that include pool parties, dance lessons, and various games and competitions throughout the day. Nightly shows bring fire dancers, mariachi bands, and other performers to the main stage, giving you something to do after dinner besides going back to your room. A resident band plays regularly, and guest DJs occasionally take over to amp up the party atmosphere. The activities team works hard to keep guests engaged without being annoying about it, which is a delicate balance that this resort seems to have figured out. You can participate as much or as little as you want without feeling pressured either way. The Zen Spa provides that wellness escape when you need to truly relax and reset. Operating from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily, the spa features 10 treatment cabins where licensed therapists deliver massages, facials, and body treatments. Swedish massage and deep tissue work are available for those carrying tension from regular life, and the signature Reef Couples Massage lets partners enjoy treatments side by side in a private cabin. For something more traditional to the region, the Temazcal ceremony offers a Mayan-inspired steam bath experience that's supposed to cleanse both body and spirit. The spa facilities include a sauna, steam room, and hydrotherapy areas where you can relax before or after your treatments. The yoga pavilion hosts daily classes in various styles, from gentle stretching to more challenging vinyasa flows. The gym attached to the spa area means you can knock out a workout and then treat yourself to a massage, which is basically the perfect combination. Booking treatments through the resort app or with the concierge is recommended, especially during high season when the spa gets busy. The therapists here consistently earn praise in guest reviews for their skill and professionalism, and the serene atmosphere makes it easy to forget you're at a bustling resort. Since the Reef Playacar welcomes families, they've put real effort into keeping kids entertained so parents can actually relax. The Reef Play Club caters to children ages 4 to 12 with supervised activities from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily. That's right, 13 hours of professional childcare included in your rate, which might be worth the price of admission alone for parents who need a break. The Kids Club offers arts and crafts, movies, games, and age-appropriate activities that keep children engaged and happy. The kids' pool with water slides provides hours of entertainment, and the splash zone in the main pool gives younger children a safe place to play in the water. The family suites include kid-friendly amenities like bunk beds and even a mini-safe where children can store their treasures. The PlayStation 5 rental option keeps older kids and teenagers happy when they need some screen time. Restaurants accommodate picky eaters with kid-friendly menu options, and the buffet always has something that even the fussiest child will eat. The beach and pool areas provide natural playgrounds where kids can run around and burn energy. Special events throughout the week include kid-focused entertainment, and holiday periods bring extra activities like Halloween parties and Christmas fireworks. Parents consistently mention in reviews that their kids had a blast and didn't want to leave, which is pretty much the highest praise a family resort can receive. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.